so alive, and tonight I'm thinking I don't wanna go.
What's up? That was awkward. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to June Journey series. If you're new here, I'm doing this series in the month of June where I'm posting every single day. So that's 30 videos in 30 days. So if you want to be part of this community and want to watch more such videos, then make sure you do hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future June Journey videos. With that being said, I am beyond excited to talk about this trend. I'm sure many of you would have seen that girl routines on YouTube. It was actually a trend started on TikTok, and initially I did not like the term very much just because I felt like it was setting unrealistic expectations and goals for every person to be some perfect version. But once I understood the concept more deeply, I just realized that girl is basically you. It is the ideal version of you, not someone else. I know the term that girl can sound very counterintuitive, but that girl is basically just the ideal version of you. So please remember that every time I say that girl in this video, I mean you, okay? I mean your ideal self, your better self, your best version. It's basically a trend where we're just romanticizing life. It's sort of giving yourself the main character vibes. So it's your own life, your own story, and you are the main character. The point is, because it's a social media trend, somehow that girl also means being aesthetic, living very Tumblr/Pinterest sort of life, which of course is beautiful to look at, but let's be real, that's not how our daily life looks like. I saw some of you requested me to do a that girl routine, which I was going to do, but then I realized I can do that anytime. But what would be better is to just have a guide out there to be that girl, which is basically the ideal version of yourself. I've seen a lot of aesthetic that girl routine videos, but not like an actual blueprint or guide to being that girl. Making a video like this to just explain that it's not just the aesthetics. What does being that girl actually mean? You know, what does it entail? How can you be that girl? How can you be the best version of yourself? Grab a glass of anything. I have iced water here, but you can grab your favorite drink and sit tight because I'm going to lay some facts. Now, before even moving on to all these steps, just keep in mind that everyone's ideal self will be naturally different. All of us have different ideals set for ourselves. But having said that, I do feel there are a few common things that I feel that girl will have no matter what. So let's talk about those things. That girl takes care of her body and her health. Not for aesthetics, not for anyone else, but for herself. She works out, she nurtures her body, eats healthy, nutritious, good, whole foods. She takes care of her body, she pampers her body, she uses that body scrub, she moisturizes her body, or any other grooming that seems true to her. This is a given. You have to take care of your body, your health. This sounds very basic, and it is. But the hard truth is that unfortunately many of us don't do this often, don't do this consistently. So let's work on taking care of our body, taking care of our health, outer appearance, inner appearance, all of that, just so that you feel good from the inside and you can just be healthy, be confident in every which way. One more thing that girl does not miss is to take care of her mental health. We talk a lot about mental health on my channel, right? Well, for that girl, taking care of her mind is equally important as taking care of her body, if not more. Through various ways and techniques, you can use visualization, you can do meditation, you can do guided meditation, you can try journaling, you can jot down affirmations, practice gratitude. The list is endless. In fact, I do have the perfect morning routine to include all these mindful exercises. So if you're interested, I will link that video up here. That girl sets goals and achieves them. Now, I know this is easier said than done, but let's be real, all our best versions out there, they're super hardworking, they're setting smart goals, pun intended, they're always trying their best no matter what obstacles come their way, and they simply do not give up. This attitude is what makes that girl fierce in the best way possible and enable her to achieve all her goals. I do have a video on goal setting which I will link up here, and I also have a playlist that might be helpful to some of you called as the Girl Boss playlist, which I will also link up here. That girl knows it's okay to fail. Yes, even though she's setting her goals and achieving all of them, she still knows that it's nearly impossible to achieve everything every single time, and that it's okay. Life is not all roses. It has some thorns here and there, and I know that girl seems to have her life all in place, but there are days when she just hits the snooze button, oversleeps, gets lazy, spends too much time on her phone, procrastinates, but she's still worth it, and she knows that. Even on days when everything seems to go wrong, she knows that she has the choice to make it all right. She can choose how she reacts to every situation, no matter how bad it may seem. And that is her being the best version of herself, because she knows that the power is within her. It's not outside. It's literally inside you. So no matter what, that girl knows that a handful of bad days don't change the fact that she's awesome, she's a badass. And to make it a bit cliche, to quote this beautiful line that I've heard countless number of times, it does not matter how many times you fall, it matters that you get up every time. That girl loves herself, no questions asked. I'm not talking about vanity, being vain. I'm talking about her being kind to herself, her being confident, not because she thinks she's perfect, but because she is her. She's real, she's authentic, and she knows that sometimes putting herself first is not selfish. Self-love, self-care is not selfish. Please get that into your brain, okay? In fact, I've done a very fun 30-day self-love challenge. In case you're interested, I will link up that video here as well. You can join me anytime. Small daily things that you do in that challenge can help you bring just a bit closer to yourself. And last but not the least, that girl has a beautiful, positive, happy aura around her. People are in awe of her. Now, I'm not saying that she's super popular out there like what you'd think of that girl in like movies. I mean, you can feel that way, that's absolutely fine. But my point is that you don't actually have to be popular, know thousands of people, if you know what I mean. I feel to have that sort of aura, you just need to be kind to the people you meet. And I know it sounds very basic, but trust me, the world we live in, not everyone is doing this. Not everyone's being their kindest selves with each other. And I don't know why, but we should. We really should. And I feel that is what creates a lasting effect on people, because that girl is honest, she's all heart, she's giving out so much love and so much kindness to the people around her that everyone would gravitate towards her naturally, right? I mean, if a person is honest, helpful, happy, positive, kind, who wouldn't want to hang out with her? I definitely would want to hang out with her. I feel one more reason why the term that girl is helpful is because it really creates that third person perspective. So even while saying all of this out loud, I feel like I'm motivating myself. I feel this sort of aura or vibe is created around that girl because of all the things she does, like I mentioned in the previous 4-5 steps. I feel if you do all of that, you naturally are in love with yourself. One, you're not insecure, you're not jealous, you're not petty, you genuinely are full of love for yourself and for others. And I feel that is what really magnetizes that sort of beautiful aura around a person. So those are some of the common things that I feel that girl would have. I'm sure I would have missed out on a few. Comment down below of 1 or 2 things that you feel that girl should have. And always remember, that girl is you. I hope you enjoyed this guide to being that girl. Do leave a thumbs up if you did, and also let me know if you'd anyways like to watch an aesthetic that girl morning routine video. Of course, if you want to watch more such content, then make sure you are subscribed and part of the beautiful, the bestest Meg fam. And that's pretty much it. I will see you tomorrow in my next June journey video. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed.
Oh.